In this video, we're diving into Houzers, an online platform that allows you to invest in real estate projects and generate passive income through crowdfunding. Whether you're an experienced investor or just starting to explore the world of real estate, Houzers offers an easy and accessible way to get involved. The platform is designed for those who want to diversify their portfolios by investing in properties with a relatively low entry point. When you first visit the site, you'll notice a clean, user-friendly interface that makes navigation easy. The homepage showcases various investment opportunities, each with detailed descriptions, including project locations, estimated returns, and project timelines. This allows you to quickly assess whether a particular investment aligns with your financial goals. Want to create an account? You'll be able to access a personalized dashboard where you can track your investments, view upcoming projects, and manage your portfolio. The sign-up process is straightforward, requiring only basic personal information and your payment details if you want to invest right away. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so be sure to check those out after watching. Now, let's continue with the platform features. Houzers offers a range of investment types, including residential, commercial, and development projects. Each project comes with a risk profile, which helps you make an informed decision. You can invest small amounts, making it ideal for those who don't have large sums of capital to start with. Another great feature is the ability to choose between different types of returns, such as rental income or capital gains. Each project will outline how and when you can expect to receive your returns. Houzers also provides regular updates on the progress of each project, so you're always in the loop. The platform also has a strong community of investors, with a forum where users can share their experiences, ask questions, and discuss ongoing projects. This creates a more engaging environment, as you're not just investing in a property, you're joining a network of like-minded individuals. One potential downside of Houzers is that the minimum investment amounts vary from project to project, which may be a barrier for some people. While the platform allows you to invest as little as €50 in some cases, larger projects may require a higher minimum. Additionally, like any investment, there are risks involved, and it's important to thoroughly research each project before committing your funds. Overall, Houzers offers a convenient and accessible way to invest in real estate without the hassle of owning physical property. The platform is designed to cater to both beginners and seasoned investors, providing a wealth of information to help you make smart decisions. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this review helpful. And make sure to subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews of investment platforms. Thanks for watching.